Bro, these man just went shop here. They've left me with the bikes. 1 electric bike, 2 electric bike, 3 electric bikes, yeah? And this idiot has even left his bike on. Kai, what's wrong with these people? Shy. Alright, now to my bike. I'm going to be telling you guys about it, what kind of parts I've got on it, the kit that's on it, and the battery that's on it. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the front of the bike. I've got some RockShox Revelations. They are 4-axle. I've got a 203 disc on the front. My front brake isn't the best. I've got a Shimano MT200. It's not bad, but I've got another XT, but the caliper snapped on the XT, so I'm dealing with that for now. I've got a nice little Chromag stem with the Chromag spacers, deity bars, deity, whatever. Got the XT, I think this is one of the newer ones. This is a 4-piston. I'm going to be showing you guys that towards the back. Obviously, I have to have my bike shack. Send it, bend it, mend it. My God. Hey, so you lot went to the shop here, and you even left your bike on. Did you not think to turn it off? I didn't even know. Alright, cool. Moving on. Everything's pretty much... This is the screen. I don't know what flipping screen it is. D500, whatever. I can't really remember, to be honest. My quad lock throttle. Someone asked me about what throttle I have. This is a complete normal Bafang throttle. There's absolutely nothing special about the throttle with mine. What is kind of special is that my motor has been modified, meaning that the throttle response is a bit different. It's a bit more responsive. It gives you power a bit more gradually rather than the stock one. So that's one thing that's actually quite different about mine, that you can't just change. You can't just have a certain throttle that will do that. You would have to, I think, plug it in to the laptop, because mine originally got plugged in and they messed about with it a bit, and then that's how I've got it away. Next, I'm going to be even talking about the battery. The battery that I've got now is pretty much a custom built one. It is 52 volt, 20 amp, I'm sure. And then obviously we've got the bling ring on there, the Lecky 42 tooth bling ring. These are a bit pricey, but these are actually quite good. They've got the narrow wide, as you can see, the teeth are narrow, some are narrow, some are wide, and that is to actually help keep the chain on the bike. And I'm really sure my chain never comes off. I don't know if other people have had problems with their chain coming off when they're doing jumps or this or that. I've never had a problem with my chain coming off the bike. Like, it's never come off the bike. It's been alright. I think it might have, but it's very rare for my chain to actually come off. Oh, look, got a police boat. So guys, I'm just going to pause the video there real quick, because I have realized that I missed out on some vital information that should have been in the video, but that isn't in the video. That day was a very cold day. I had these guys rushing me, so I did kind of speed through it. So if you do feel like I missed out on any key bits, don't forget to comment down below your questions, and I'll be answering them in the comments as well. So with the motor that I've got, it is a Bafang 1000 watt mid-drive kit. Bafang also does hub motors, so make sure you don't get yourself confused between the hub motors and the mid-drive kits. Bafang does 250, 500, 750 and 1000 watt. 1000 is the fastest that you can get, but if you were looking to make your bike any faster, then you would look into buying either an ASI or programming the motor, which will make a great improvement in the speed. Now let's get back to the video. So yeah, it's quite rare for my chain to actually come off. I think hopefully because of that bling ring. The next, I've got a nice little Hope seat clamp. Got my little trusty, bro, let me even show you what's in here, because like when you're riding a bike like this, you gotta kind of think smart, right? So in this, I've got my Allen keys, yeah? So if anything happens, anything on my bike happens that I need to fix, I've got my trusty Allen keys with everything on it, all the tools, even a chain tool on there. Look, I've got inner tube in there, and I've got tire levers, and I've got patches in there. So if I was to ever get a puncture breakdown, it wouldn't even be a problem, because I'll be able to just fix it on the spot. And if you're thinking, bro, but where's your pump? You don't have a pump. Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, got my trusty little pump as well. I keep that on the side there. So yeah, if I was to actually ever break down, get a puncture, or I need to fix a bike, I can do it on the spot, and then I can keep it moving.
rather than spending money, getting in a cab, or being stranded, asking someone, oh, can you come help me? But yeah, those are actually very much handy things to have. It doesn't take up much space. It sits underneath your seat, so realistically you don't have to worry about carrying this stuff in your pockets or a bag. If you don't, as you can even see with me, my seat is almost at the lowest and it still doesn't touch my tire even if I was to close it. So realistically that is actually a very handy thing to have. Obviously with the bike bag luckily I've got a little pocket as well, so I can put the pump, and I've got a tool in there as well. So yeah, that's actually something very handy to have. You can get them from any bike shop. This is a Topeak one, or Topeak, whatever. Now moving on to the rear of the bike, the back wheel that I've got isn't a standard back wheel. As you guys can see, it is a race face rim. This rim is also asymmetrical as well. It's heavy duty, meaning the way it's built, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. The way it's built, it's like, the rim looks like this. Instead of it kind of being like, say that was like a normal rim. I'll put in a picture of what asymmetrical rim looks like. But yeah, this is the asymmetrical rim, meaning it's built to be a lot stronger than your standard rim. I'm pretty sure this is a Shimano Dior cassette. And then I've also got the Shimano Dior derailleur. Guys, my bike is absolutely filthy because I've been riding it in the pouring rain, the disgusting London weather. That's why my bike looks like this. Usually I try to keep it clean. I haven't had a chance to go clean it. That's why it looks absolutely filth. But when it is clean, it looks absolutely fantastic. So yeah, the setup is I've got a 10-speed cassette and derailleur. With the Bafangs, I've heard it's recommended not to go past 10. When you just go to 11, it's just going to be giving you problems. I've got my Hope quick release and the Hope Hub Pro 4. As you can see, I've got this 4-piston XT. The XTs are actually really good. I actually highly recommend the 4-piston XT. I've had the Magura MT7, and out of both of them, I feel like for what I do, like the swerves and the trick, the Shimano XT is actually a lot better than the MT7. The MT7 is actually really good. It does grip quite a lot, but I feel like the Shimano brake is a lot smoother compared to the MT7. I've also got this Shimano Freezer disc. It looks so much better when it's clean. These discs go alone for like £70, I think. It's like £70 to £80 just for the disc. The disc is absolutely fire though. Looks sick. I'm pretty sure that's a bit of a cooling system that it's got there. But yeah, that's pretty much a rundown of the bike, to be honest. Now let's move on to Mason's bike. This is originally a Borderman. He's custom made it himself. So yeah, basically he's got a 52 volt, similar bike bag as to mine as well. He's got a 52 volt 20 amp battery. He's got the ASI on his though. I'm pretty sure this is the back 855, and he's put it on himself. He's got the Bafang 1K as well, same as mine. He's got his little kickstand 35000, the mudguard. Yeah, and obviously once you do upgrade it to the ASI, I'm pretty sure you do have to change the controller, the screen, stuff like that. Then even he's got a little password on his. Oh yeah, I forgot to talk about that as well. He's got a little password on his. I've also even got a password on mine as well. That's a sick little feature that you can actually have with the Bafangs as well. When you do turn them on, you can have a pin that you can have, and without the pin you won't be able to kind of get into it. Then obviously you'd have to figure out what the pin is, type it in, select it, stuff like that. That's a sick little feature. I even forgot to mention, look at his setup. So he was recommended not to have lower gears because I think it damages something, I'm not too sure. So he's taken out the lower gears on his, and then that's how he's pretty much running it. But yeah, as I was saying, if you guys did want more of these e-bike videos, drop comments down below. Let me know what you guys want. Whatever questions you've got, drop them down below in the comments. I'll try as hard as I can to answer them. And yeah, just let me know what you guys want and I'll try to provide that for you. But we're literally waiting for RJ to come here and then we're going to head into the city. So yeah, let's put the GoPro on and let's get a move on. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you turn on the screen. It comes up like that. You can go through the different modes. Then you give it some throttle. There you go. You can already hear police. Nice little, yeah. What are you saying, mate? Looking colourful today.
Yeah, you know, blue. Don't even have a bag.
nigga says, I said, you have a pool ball. He said, yeah, I got a pool ball.
No, I just said.
I don't.
Fuck, you don't need it.
Yeah, right. Well, you didn't charge that before?
One's on like 26.
Yeah, rough in it.
2 hours. That'll be enough, innit?
Yeah.
Are they brand new? They're not fucking, yeah, they're like an hour and a half.
Yeah, they should be alright, man. Just enjoy it once you can, innit?
You don't need music.
Nah, the music gasses you, man. What do you mean?
Emergency only.
Hey, my
See
man.
my AirPod case, I'm like 36.
You're useless, that's why, man. Mine's charged up. Alright, what kind of ride you thinking? Hey, my man.
A lapish, maybe?
Yeah, something like that, innit?
Like, would you want to go to fucking Vauxhall car park or not really?
We can, but the thing is, I want to at least, well, it wouldn't be too bad because I just want to do a decent little ride. Yeah. Showing like at least a decent, because even if we ride there, that's still a decent little ride. It's not too bad. Like we can go along. It's up to you. I don't mind. There. Alright, watch out, no, watch out. Oh, I don't even think we can cut through this, but hey, fuck it. Alright, go in front. No, I was just saying, go in front, innit? Because it just looks good for the camera. I tell that granddad jammer to speed up. Alright, my brake comes in so much, you know. It's actually scary. I didn't even show you, look, my brake needs to be bled. It comes in so much, like it'll literally touch my finger, like it almost comes to the grip a little bit. Woo! Hey Jamie, where's your work? You got no work? Granddad on 2 wheels, yeah?
So blue fat.
Trust
In
me.
the shop tomorrow with some loose bolts.
Nah, that's your shit wash, fam, allow it.
My bike's more reliable than yours, bro.
Your bike is dead, bro.
Why was your bike in the shop the other
Oh,
day?
you lot, chat to me, yeah. Dead little bush. Hey, man, like off me, though. Hey, this guy's always wheeling, cuz. Mother's, anytime you see
Why
him,
was your
you
bike in the shop the other day?
cause shut up, innit?
Okay then. That's my bike.
Because I was getting upgrades to make mine faster, innit? Your bike's meaty, move, man. Now let me ram this kid, bro. Hey, this is blowing. Hey! He's winging it. Oi, go on, RJ. Wish. Ooh. Ooh, say nothing. Oh, don't kill me. Hey, cutting it up. Oh. Oh, I cut it. Ooh. Watch out! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I Mason's already ahead. I was thinking, where is he? I thought he was behind. Oh. Watch out. Oh. Woo. I go that way, go that way. Less people in it. Do a wheelie, bruv. Oh shit. You should get heated grips. Huh? I've got heated grips, you should get them. Yeah, heated grips, heated grips. Yeah. This brake, man, look at it. It comes in so much, but it's still so sturdy, I'll be real. It stops me nicely, man. Even when it comes in all the way like that. Look at it's coming in. Dead. They've been had toilets there. What are you talking about? Yo, bro, they've had it for time. Years, bro. What's this guy sleeping on?
I've never seen that, man.
You're blind, mate. Oh yeah, fuck the stairs, fuck the stairs, fuck the stairs. That word. Wish. Boy, stay on it, it's windy as well. Oh god. Oh, man, him. Oh, hard, hard, hard. Oh, if he kept that, that would have been cold as well.
I think on that one I told you next.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I was recording. Nice. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Ah. Sheesh. Yo. Man said, yeah, yeah. Watch that again. Wesh. Woo. Woo. Sensational. Ooh, why did they put their reverse lights on? They did. I was looking at the car and they put their reverse lights on. They're active. Look, that's a policeman in the park. Hopefully he's chilling there still. I said we'll get a shot. The Queen's guards are there, innit? Yeah, safe.
Oh, I'd have to fuck around with them outside.
Oh, mate. Bro, best thing to do, Trafalgar Square, separate from there, just shook, shook, shook. Different routes, bro. Calm.
I go towards Big Ben.
Calm, calm, calm.
No, once you get to Hyde Park corner.
But once you get to Hyde, you're lucky blessed. But you can just cut through the park and cut anywhere.
It's getting there.
And then they'll call the police station in Hyde Park.
Nah, yeah, true.
It's getting to Hyde Park.
I'm just gonna wheelie and that, swerve it up and that. RJ's getting smoked. E-bike shit, baby. Nah, they ain't gonna block us in. Bro, they went past us. Nah. Look.
You and that about to pull someone over. That's what
They turned off the sirens. Don't kill me. And we might as well show these feds some work though.
Yeah, show them in it. Tap that bonnet.
Nah, I said tap the bonnet. Should I? Should I? Oh, tight gap. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna send it round still. I'm sending it round. Oi! Ah. Oh, 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 oh. Woo, woo. Hey, hello boys. Them lot got trapped there. See the gear changing. This is where I can slow down and continue the wheelie. The gear changes. Let me show you, look, my brake, bro. It's cool, isn't it? Look, comes all the way in there, bro. Whack, but I'm still upping it the way I do.
What happened?
No, nothing, it's come. Where's RJ? Oh. Oi, bad boy. Oh, I'm cutting it up. The other one came flying! Go. That is funny. These almost got licked down by a cab. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I'll keep going, fuck it. Oh well, boo-hoo. Oi, naughty. Yeah, we'll go right. I don't have a clue. Hey, these are too funny. I said they couldn't even over to it and they're crashing into each other. How could they try their fibbing? Someone's lying in it. Yeah, my thing's different. I don't want to be brother. How's it fun as weapon?
Why's your roll on the floor though? You're not even filming.
Do wheelie, bro. I ain't seen you lift that up once. You ain't done nothing. Do something, do something.
Some people working that.
Where's RJ?
Where's JR? I don't know.
Oh, he's back there. Oh, he's there, he's there.
I reckon you're planning to make the max shot. You're planning to make the max shot. Hey! I need to fuse.
Alright, come, let's push it. Oh! My brake just came in. What a gap. That was a tight one. With the mirror as well. Yo. What are you telling me? Where are you? Alright, yeah, we're like, we just went past Lambeth Bridge, innit? We're heading towards Vauxhall. We're gonna be at the car park. Me, Jamo, Mason and RJ. Yeah, we're gonna be chilling there for a bit still. Go on, say nothing. Cool. So yeah, basically right now we're just heading to Vauxhall car park. We're literally in Vauxhall right now, as you guys can see. Cause yeah, it's cold out here, car park, no wind and that. We just chill there for a bit, probably session out for a bit. Then yeah man, gonna call it a day. Sheesh. Sheesh. Go right. You want it now? Yeah. 0.5 or 1? 0.5, yeah. Yeah, the turners. Oh, it's quiet. Yes. No way, man said it's actually quiet for once. These lot are here all the time, bro. Packing off the whole car park, bro. Look at them doing up disco dancing in there, fam. Man said they even. What is this? Huh? I don't know.
saying you lot good, yeah?
Yes, bro. What are you saying? You blessed?
Yeah, bless.
We having some back problems or something?
No, just one of my bearings popped out, innit?
You don't need
sitting around here waiting for Mandan to come, but there's no one, bro. It's empty.
Yeah. You're lucky we came.
Yeah.
You don't need no tools or nothing, innit?
No. I just need one of my bearings is loose, innit? So I just gotta press it back in.
Yeah. Fairs. So yeah, basically we're at the car park now. It is too cold outside, so we came in here. It's pretty much empty today, I'll be real. Usually there's fuckloads of skaters in here. These guys are take up the whole fucking space. But today it's not even too bad, it's kind of empty. Probably just gonna chill here for a bit, practice, do some wheelies up and down. RJ's gonna be practicing as well. You guys have seen a fair amount of the C100 and what it was capable of. But so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Whatever you guys want more of, comment down below and I'll be checking the comments. So whatever you guys want more of, I'll try as hard as I can to do more of that content. Any more information, questions that you guys have, drop them down below in the comments. I'll check them. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.